Kanadika Dutashan Meghalaya, but Nipiang so by people Rochaka form Takajan mit, Shaban Page ki Kupor Kibabnia, Nini Pitch Mat Gongsan. Piang Snowba, Kashilong Yaki Trophy, the Durand Cup. Let Jungo Usimbut Mentri Rang Bakajala, Ubas Snow Palanghar, Yakashnong Lapangap. Ankantiu ka Meghalaya ka jingtan boarding ka Shispa Laipo RKV Hakitahan Kaput. Kmi Binya u Joint Secretary ka Sarkar Pudeng ka Public Distribution System Hariboy. But penlong ka NHDC ka Natural Dye Workshop Hariboy. Kikubor ki babnya Kashilong kala saki ya ka jingpin I padba ya ki trophy jongka Indian Oil Durand Cup ka Shispa Laipusau ha State Convention Center ka balongru kum ka jingsdang ya ka program pinbernya ha ki surak ha keleng ki benta jongka jela Menteri Rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma haringkat bat ki he shipai bat ki he sarkar kila kawe lama mansdang ya ka ni ka program manlek men halor ka jingkala jong ka jela kum ka limpung jong ki jingele ka sports shu u sangma ula penpau halor ka jingbai tingka ka bahe na ka benta ki jingtei ki bakentup ya ka jingtei ya ka stadium yele ka football ka bahe tam ha kari hamau khanu kum shi benta jong ka jingbu thong ban penlong ya ka shilong ka nongba jong ka jingele ka football hakari.
This is the stadium that our sports minister was mentioning to you just now. And this is, the work has been allotted. The work will start, as mentioned, maybe in a week's time. Because of the rain conditions and all, but we expect that by 2027 we should be able to complete this stadium. And I would like to reiterate that this is going to be the largest dedicated football stadium in the country. Because other stadiums have got multiple facilities, this is a dedicated football stadium, and it will be, as of now, it is the largest football stadium, dedicated football stadium in the country. Next.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba ka jela ubas nyaw bhalang dhar ula lejngo ya kasnong lapangap ha West Giant Hills bat ula kren ha ka jingelang pajba uba dhar ula ong bakalapangap ka hap hapo ka constituency ka jong bat ula kentu ya ki nong shong snong kiba shong ha ki jaka khaput ban long kiba petngor ya ka jingwan le donbor ki briu ki banabar jela ula pentikna ya ki nong shong snong baka sarkar kan yai khmi ya ka jing shong sngan bat ka jingbit jingbiang jongki Lasan ran lang ya uba dhar da UCM ka KHASI uba thombor shiwat ringkat ki dukot jong ka council bat ki nong tre ka ba penpau ya ka jing tili ha ka jing yale ban penbet ya ki jing ha ki jaka khaput
nakaleng yung kaw asuri piwa lakat chuman le boting sarbi yo grule banyak songlong kamu ju ang maruyo diwe ya klam benar liang kam put kam sam to kam yung state government unto ya du tia wi auri do pai ba to yo lawan kam ju kata kam put to state government mai penar lig state
ka sarkar jela kala kentu ya ka tanat boarding ka sarkar pedeng ban sedang ya ka jingtan boarding ka ba Shispa Laipo RKV habak mara bat ki wei de ki jaka hasilin ter jong ki khaput jong ka India bat Bangladesh da ka ba ong bakan long ka ba kongsan na ka benta ka roi ka par bat na ka benta ki kam ki jam menteri ka tanat boarding U80 mandal ula banjor bakan ni ka sen jam kan ai jing mentoi shibun ya ki jingdon kam boarding jong ka jela ha ka wei pat kalyang ka sarkar pedeng kadang perkhat ban tiu ya ka jingtan boarding na ka Shispa Laipo RKV shaka khatway spa KV da ka baong ba ya ka baong umandal ulaong ba kanwan ra jingkala ha ka tanat boarding kari
I requested the CA chairman that to help us to have one dedicated 132 kV line to at least to Bagmara and other towns bordering to Bangladesh. This will help us in many ways, including the strategic purposes, and in case of any eventuality, this line can be used. Now what happened, we are having 33 kV lines passing through reserve forest, passing through the elephant crossing zones and all these things. It's very difficult to maintain and to get clearances and all these things. So once we have 132 kV lines, it will be easing all the problems.
U Ashwini Shrivastava, u belong Joint Secretary Jongkatanat Food and Public Distribution ke Sarkar India, u lalit jengo ya ke Ribhoi District hene kesngi man khmi bnia ya ke rukam pentrai kam ya ki scheme sam marbam. Kani ke jinglet jong u ka kentup ru ya ke jinglet sha CHC ha umsau nongkharai bat sha ke dukan airation ke badon hamautunum. Lasan ran lang ya u Shrivastava da u ADC ka Ribhoi ha ka ba ula pentikna ba ya ki jing pensngau jong ki pajba ansaya keren bat kibor badi kemi bat ula ongru baka sarkar pedeng kan yai beteng ban ya trailang bat ki pajba banwan ra ya ka jingsam marbam ka basngan.
We are distributing free ration to priority household and Antyodaya families, as you are aware. So here we are taking feedback from actual beneficiaries if they are getting their ration in time every month, free of cost, and if there is any issue or complaint, so that we want to know from central government side.
Ilayo sibun ha digirap nakabenta jongi kum kinong chung ibadai jong kastet Meghalaya lengba kane kajing ai ke jong i yau khau rison bangi klem ngat ban si pisa watang si tengka
kaba unya punai baladia Meghalaya ngin yo sakania ka punai julai nga san kilo sikli da nga yo life san kilo na marung
Kumshi benta jong ka jingpen kre ya ka sngi rakhe ya ka National Handloom Day arhaja arpusan ka National Handloom Development Corporation hapo jong ka tanat textile kalapan long ya ka Natural Dye Workshop Hasajer Community Hall Haribhoi District. Kani ka workshop ka ketmu man kentiu ya ka rukam we da ki rong ki bam kta ya ka mariang bat kala sakhi ya ka jingwan yishim benta jong ki spa ngut ki nong than jan ka jilla u manager ka NHDC UPL Singhal ula batai shaphang ki jingmen toy jong ki rong tenrai ki bapenne bat penya yo ya ki jan bat ka bakentiu pat ya ka yo ka kod jong ki nong than bat penkut bor yaki ban penne pensa ya ka rukam than jan ka beriu spa jong kari lingba ki rukam ki bayada ya ka mariang.
Here Meghalaya and this Shillong area has participated, and our associate Ama Herbal laboratories from Lucknow, they have given the full detail how to use natural dyes in textiles. Natural dye is beneficial because it is not harmful for body. Fabric, this textiles used after using natural dye is all these benefits are there compared to synthetic dyes.
Kinong tray na ki bang baper kila penlong ya ka jing yaki habar jong ka MEGHALAYA Cooperative Apex Bank Main Branch Shillong Balayalam Daka Seng jong kinong tray jong ka MCAB kinong yaki kila dawa badai ben wengno yaki sautali ki labor law balapen kala ka jing pen kala yaki rukam tray kam ki Cooperative Bank bat ka jing pen do no ya ka Banking Regulation Act khat khandai spa saup khandai ka balapen kala u General Secretary Jong ka Seng u Edward Lynching ula dawaru ya ka jing pen biang pension ya baro kinong tray bank ka jing kershan pisa na ka benta ka jing pen kala batham bat ka jingweng ya ka section prapopi bat shispa khandai pasau en jong ka Income Tax Act.
Tepat ya ka central government ba kan penhiarkan ya kata hajna na ki cooperative banks maki cooperative banks hindi gibahe jadi gibarit langit kumangnya kok Shillong ni kadang Shillong Cooperative Urban Bank hiru kimji yo ya kata ka assistant semua kajing yarap bisa nakaliang jok sokar lakdi nakaliang jok sokar jumlah lani nakaliang jok sokar Mulai kita ki rules, ki regulation, ki one ling ba ka banking regulation act pan, tapi pen try kambay. Ni hab siya ba ya takasot, klam da yo jing muntoy, habang isiw sot ni di ban yo jing muntoy ong.
Ka Center of Medical and Sales Representatives Union Northeast Region Kalapanlong ya ka jingyaki bashisngi hasilong hinekasngi pan persha halor ka jingmi ka sarkar pedeng ya ki kendon trekam bathamai. President Jongka CRU Shillong Upata Dep ulapan pao bakaseng kayo I ya kani ka an bathamai kum ka jingma ya ka hok bat jingyada jongkinong tre ki balas lembha. Ulakan turu ya ka sarkar bakan wengno ya ki Sautuli ki kendon trekam da ka babanjur bagi persya kidang yai beteng na kinong tre hakeleng keri. Kani kaseng kala IT khatwi teli ki jingdawa sya ka sarkar ban pha bakin perkhat biang ya kani ka jingpen kala.
We have an objection for this level laws which the government is up to now. They are trying to scrap those laws which has been given to us in long back with all the fights and all which we have achieved. Now they are into the government is trying to make it in a code form, in 4 code, which is always against our labor. Like we consider ourselves to be a workman and workmen in that case we say that it is against us. The government should not scrap the labor laws and should not implement this 4 codes. So we oppose that 4 codes that government is trying to implement now.
Ka Federation of KHASI Giant and Garo People lani ka FKJGP Maukarwat Circle hinekasni kalai kendu ya uba B Maulong ubadai Deputy Commissioner jangka South West KHASI Hills ban kentu baya ka Circuit House ha Maukarwat badai ban ai kerteng no ha usngap sings im ubadai unong ya kun light lut bat us im bakado jangka Hima Maharam ubaya le persha ya ka jingsen shar ki phareng. General Secretary jangka FKJGP Enbors Im Yong ulaong baka jingbo ya umat dur jong usngap sings im ha ka palau jangka Circuit House kalong ban buram ya kanam ka jong u.
Jong adem jong ka jing ya keduk jungi I sadisi oi nilai akran nilai tai sabi bakari hakam bat ulak pular ba unbo jingtho na kalian ka jong u saka sarkar bat ka sarkar kan sa simkhya ya kene kam ulak kular ini ba un salek no kam kula ya kene kam habede bat kene ka jing pen kelar ni ka jing ainam ya ka teng jong usnap sing ya kene ka Circuit House. President jangka Sain Raj Jowai uba Hercules Toy haringkan bat kinong elam snong kilapen bena ha ka press conference ba ya ka jingle niam be ding klam ka ba shisin shisnem an sapen long ha Jowai na do ka khatwai tarik ha do ka khat sau tarik menta ubnai kani ka jingle niam ka belaju rakhe da ki pnar bat ki riung nyam tre an sapen kutno ha pedeng ka jing ipu ipeng ha ka sngi ba khat do ringkat ka jingwani shim bentalang usembut menteri rang ba ka jela bat ki wei de ki dekhot jangka kenhun menteri udoloi jongka elaka Jowai uba puramon kinjing ula batai bakani ka jingle niam kalong kum kadak ban penpau ya ka jing songu ya ka me mariang bat ya ki blai Vice President uba EMH pasa ula kentu ya kinong shongshnong ban pentikna bakin don ya ka mensim priang snobha ya bro ki boni shimbenta. Deputy Secretary jangka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council lani ka KHADC uba A Basayamwaj ulapan long ya ka jingelang bat kinong yalam jangka elaka ban ya kren ya ki jingpen kala bat ban pen kalan ya ka rukam trekam hakira ki bahap hapo ka jingkmi jangka ha kani ka jingelang ula ai sngo bhasan pauteli ki shuki bat ki duli shaka office jangka Hima banbo ya ki kwat kisla ki beton kam haba kedo halor ki jingduna uba Basayamwaj ula kular ban ya trelang bat kinong yalam snong bat kinong penya jangka raj hakini ki lai banai banwan ban ya le persha ya ki jing e bat ban penbha ya ki jing senchar hakeleng ki ilaka
Ginno senyang sa ka ilaka sa office ka Hima namal kamdani ka almari ka babiang kamdani ka suki babiang namal ka office su ka baningkong ka tangga office ka su simwai hendrai sultanat ban ka darbar snong paham sim hakipol ban syak dai penbej ba ka office Hima kan dai hangne ka ku jing e penbej ban ki sundar barim ina kalian jonga ngaras berfoto kata kan imbut kita ya rai hiba ginno senyang sa ka Hima dai ibarit ya kum ka almari ka almari kawan bo igi files mas hanpo tili gi suki
Mentang ini pe ya kejing long jingman ka sun beneng hatura kejing kriat kalong ap sau degree Celsius ber kejing shit kalong ap kandai degree Celsius kejing sengam ka hau kalong nyup kandai na khispa ber kejing hap slap kalong san pon nyo millimeter haba phai pat hanong ba shilong kejing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius ber kejing shit kalong ap we degree Celsius kejing sengam ka hau kalong nyup kandai na khispa ber kejing hap slap kalong kat lai pon r millimeter kat bahajo wai pat kejing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius ber kejing shit kalong ap r degree Celsius kejing sengam ka hau kalong prapusan na khispa ber kejing hap slap kalong kat lai pon r millimeter kala bendon kejing hap slap ka melumala ber kejing tit upper that hake babun ki jaka hatura shilong bat jawai di palok katung ila poi shaka bakut jang katuk kwa jang imeta ka janmir hadu mendai syam yang wat pila syai kasni kubli piparo.
Wheels Durand Cup trophies, says football is passion for Northeast. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held delegation-level talks with the Namibian President Netumbo Nandi